Good afternoon, this is Steve from the National Weather Service Marquette, Michigan, giving you an update on the low pressure system that will provide a wintry mix of weather to the UP. Overall, pretty challenging forecast continues as was highlighted a little bit yesterday for the late tonight into Wednesday period. The first wave of precipitation, which will largely be snow, will move in late tonight and kind of continue through much of the day tomorrow, with the heaviest amounts occurring over the western part of the UP. Over the central and east, you'll see the snow mixing with and then likely changing over to rain for a period during the late afternoon and into the evening hours on Wednesday. This will, in turn, create lower snowfall amounts in that area. And then finally, cold air looks to arrive on Thursday and end up continuing all the way into the weekend. So here's a look at the expected conditions for the area for late tonight through Wednesday evening. Like I mentioned earlier, that snow will be pushing in and intensifying late tonight and Wednesday morning and continue to push off to the north through the day. As that snow pushes off to the north, you'll see a mix over the central and east, and then likely changing over to all rain over pretty much the eastern half of the UP and really limiting the snowfall amounts. The highest amounts will be over the far west, pretty much anywhere from Ironwood up through the Keweenaw Peninsula, where it will mainly be snow, and snowfall amounts anywhere from 6 to 12 inches look possible. But definitely keep an eye out to later forecasts, as this has been very variable over the last couple of days, and so snowfall amounts can change even going into tomorrow morning. And then once we get behind the storm, you'll see conditions improving, especially over the south central and eastern upper Michigan, especially when looking at the road conditions, where the temperatures will be warming well into the 30s and lead to melting of any snow that falls on Wednesday morning. Then once we get the cold air surging in on late Wednesday night and through Thursday, you'll see temperatures really dropping off through the day on Thursday, and that'll lead to the slush that's left over on any of the roadways to start freezing up and potentially make for some slippery conditions. And then heading into the weekend, you'll see that west wind lake effect continue, along with the cold temperatures with wind chills well below zero in most locations. Thank you for listening to our weather briefing for this storm coming up on Wednesday, December 4th, 2013. Definitely stay tuned to later forecasts because of the high variability in the forecast over the last couple days and potential for any changes that could occur. Thank you.